If you've ever slept on a factory RV mattress, you know they're usually one of the least comfortable parts of camping. That's why we upgraded to the Celestial Sleep 8-inch RV Short Queen Mattress, and it's been a complete game changer for us. It's every bit as comfortable as our much more expensive mattress we sleep on at home. Installation was simple and it fit our RV perfectly. The cooling gel memory foam provides excellent comfort and support, helping us sleep great wherever we're parked, regardless of if it's at a campground or traveling across the country. We also love that it's made in the USA and fiberglass free, ensuring our sleep is as healthy as it is comfortable. Of all the upgrades we've made to our camper, this is definitely one of our favorites. Check out the link below to learn more about the mattress and find how it's transformed the way we sleep every day in our RV. Shop RVessentials.com.